12. Inspirational quotes. 1. Albert Einstein. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. 2. Steve Jobs. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. 3. Bill Gates. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. 4. Warren Buffett. Honesty is a very expensive gift, don't expect it from cheap people. 5. Bruce Lee. Mistakes are always forgivable, if one has courage to admit them. 6. Albert Hubbard. One machine can do the work of 50 ordinary men, no machine can do the work of one extraordinary man. 7. Robert Kiyosaki. Failure defeats losers, but inspire winners. 8. Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict your future is to create it. 9. Audrey Hepburn. Nothing is impossible, the word itself says, I'm possible. 10. Maya Angelou. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them happy. 11. Mike Ditka. You're never a loser until you quit trying. 12. Muhammad Ali. Don't count the days, make the days count.